Hello everyone, this is Tina with Tia's Treasures, and you know, for not having any cards in November, I'm off to a big start here in December. This is the Black Friday mystery box. I have no idea what's in here, obviously. Look, they gave us Pretty Seasons Greetings tape around it. Let's see, I also have regular packing tape. So let's hope this, you know what, I should get my bigger box cutter. I got a big one right here. Hopefully I don't go through anything. Just make it a little easier to slice open. Okay, let's see what's in the box. What's in the box? What's in the box? Ooh, we have Simon Says paper. Let's see. Merry Christmas and Seasons Greetings. Tim Holtz, love it. I have an embossing, I was going to say I have an embossing dauber and red twine. Nope, I bought these with the box. So I've got some red twine and I bought some an embossing dauber because I thought it would help, like putting gold trim around cards. We got Hooray, Enjoy Your Crafty Parcel. We have a nice coupon on there. Okay, I have some Distressed Squeezed Lemonade. I don't think I have that color, so that's pretty cool. Now, let's take off our paper and see what else we have. I have Hearts dies. Look at this, Hearts banners. That'll be good for Valentine's Day, and it just says possible layering option. So obviously you can do this in all different ways. There are 4 6x6 stencils in there. We have more stencils. This one is, I don't know, it's obviously florals of some sort. Sunflower Field stencil. And there are, I don't know, should I open it? Let's open it and see. And I see more stencils. It's a good thing I like stencils. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these are the florals. At the florals, we have the centers, we have the stems, and then we have some additional greenery and a couple little more florals. So that's pretty cool. And then we have Stars, Holy Stars stencil. That's just a single one. This is the box of stencils. An animal print stencil. That is, it's got 2. One is like a giraffe and one is like a leopard print. Pretty cool. Looks like we got some dies here. We have a love die, Fancy Love. You and Me ticket and a ticket. So I've got heart stencil and this. You know, I'm all ready for Valentine's Day now. What else do we have? We have a leaf branch oval. Oh, that's kind of cool. Let's open that up and take a look at it. Okay, so it cuts out this little bitty stripe in there, and you've got 2 sides of the oval. Awesome. We have the Snowbird. That's just kind of an outline look, and you can do paper piecing in there. Little holly. I don't recall ever seeing this before on their website. We'll have to use it somewhere. Embossing folders. We have the Folk Flower embossing folder and the diamond pattern. That always reminds me of like that stainless steel you see like in industrial places that's non-slip. We've got a Slay Every Day. Never seen that one before either. But hey, why not? I've got a couple of the Tim Holtz Ideology mugs. So I've got 2 of them already I bought. Well, just a single package. But now that I've got another package, I won't be afraid to use these because I tend to hoard things. I've also got some mowed lawn. I don't have this color either. And we have got a dazzling ornament plate. Ah, so cool. It just cuts out the little ornaments. And an embossing folder and cutting die with fruit. I love fruit. I love lemons, so I can do these lemons. Do them oranges, whatever you want. And we've got the magnolia branches embossing folder. That's very pretty too. So far, I haven't got any doubles of anything I own. Oh, look at this, the forest border. Definitely a keeper for Christmas. I am excited. Dimensional stars. I may or may not have this one. I don't know. See, I spoke too soon. I know I have a star one, but I'm not sure it's this one. And I've got a bunch of the Positively Everything tools. I have to admit, I have a bunch of these, so I don't know. These at some point I will be giving away because I have more than I will ever use. Simon Says stamp, deep purple die. Nice. And a little clutchy hands. Look at these. Boom, boom, boom. Nice, nice, nice. And now stamps. One more embossing powder. This is crushed olive. Awesome. We have a happy holiday. Ooh, what kind of flower? Poinsettias. I love poinsettias. That will get some use. And I love you super lots. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Galentine's Day. Always and forever. Love you super lots. I hope I am in frame. If I am filming this out of frame, I apologize. But I just got so excited. And we have a cling rubber stamp. This is the Talavera vine. Nice. And lastly, birthday sentiments. This is birthday shenanigans. Put on your party pants and fire up your shimmy shaker. Happy birthday to you. Go ahead, lick the frosting off the plate. It's time to party. Let the shenanigans begin. Wishing you love and a tiara and lots of sprinkles. Happy birthday. Cake, ice cream, presents, love. Wishing you the whole shebang. Wait, wait, wait. You're how old? Today is all about you. So many candles, so little cake. Do whatever makes your guts grin. That's different. Today all your wishes can come true. Unless you wish to be younger, then you're screwed. Celebrate. Make a wish, then blow out that bonfire. Get your happy on. I love it. Love it, love it. Okie dokie. So a lot of this I can use. There's only a few things that I'm like, can't really see using. But anyhow, that's what came in this box. It is awesome. Full of Simon product and Tim Holtz. So I hope you enjoyed watching what I got. And hopefully, if you don't have your own box, you'll get one next year and can open your own. So anyway, that's it for this video. And bye-bye for now, everyone.